Hello, history buffs. Today, let's dive into how British and French colonization shaped the world. Buckle up, because this is a whirlwind tour through history. First, let's talk politics. The British Empire, with its divide and rule strategy, often pitted local groups against each other. This led to deeply entrenched divisions that can still be seen in countries like India and Nigeria. The French, on the other hand, favored assimilation. They aimed to create Frenchmen out of their colonial subjects, particularly in Africa. Countries like Algeria and Senegal still feel the cultural and political echoes of French governance. Now, on to the social landscape. British colonization often meant the spread of English language and customs. Think cricket in India or tea time in Kenya. These cultural imprints are still very much alive today. The French left behind a legacy of art, cuisine, and language, especially in places like Vietnam and Morocco. Ever wondered why there's a love for baguettes in Hanoi? That's the French influence for you. Economically, the British and French had different approaches too. The British focused on trade and resource extraction. They established extensive railway networks and ports, turning colonies into crucial parts of their global trade routes. The French were more about direct control and exploitation of resources. They developed plantation economies, especially in Indochina and West Africa, which often benefited the colonizers more than the locals. But let's not forget the darker side. Both British and French colonization came with a heavy cost. Exploitation, displacement, and resistance were common themes. The struggle for independence in colonies like India, Algeria, and many others was long and painful. The impacts of colonization are complex and still felt worldwide. So why does this matter today? Understanding this history helps us see how past actions shape current global dynamics. It sheds light on why certain countries have specific political structures, social norms, and economic challenges. That's it for today's historical journey. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the present.